You go. KGG is toning. KGG is toning. KGG is
The
toning.
National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Galveston County
I knew it.
in southeastern Texas, southeastern Fort Bend County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Brazoria County in southeastern Texas, south central Harris County in southeastern Texas
Harris.
until 11:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
Harris County.
At 10:37 a.m. Central Daylight Time,
Harris County.
a severe thunderstorm was
My
located
county.
near Siena, or 8 miles south of Fresno, moving east at 20 miles per hour.
Waiting for them to
Hazard,
tone.
60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pearland, southwestern League City, southeastern Missouri City, southwestern Friendswood, Alvin, Santa Fe, Manville, Fresno, Arcola, Brookside
Ruh-roh.
Village, Iowa Colony, Hillcrest,
Ruh-roh.
Liverpool, Bonnie, Thompsons, Siena, Fort Bend, Houston, Central Southwest, South Acres, or Crestmont Park, and Minnetex. For your protection, move to an interior
go.
room on the lowest floor of a building.
They toned in SVR. Here we
The
go.
National Weather